Assalamu alaikum to all. I hope you are all perfectly fine. I am a teacher of Dar Arkam School, Ahmadpur campus. So today here we are discuss about vacation pack grade 2 subject math. Number words unscramble. Unscramble the number words and write them down. Rearrange the words and write in these boxes. Write the numbers in numerical and expanded form. First of all, read the numbers and write numerical expanded form in these boxes like 400s, 20 tens, 7 ones, etc. Find out the tallest building in the world, write in the name and number of the floor and break down this number into hundreds, tens and ones. You know about the largest tallest building of the world is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Number of floor 163 and for example 110, 60, 100, hundreds, 60, 10 and 3 ones and our answer is 163. Find the number. You should find the number, a number between 100 and 50. You should write in these boxes same as it I write here. Guess the riddle and circle the correct answer. First of all, write the riddle and find the correct answers and find these questions in lab. You should write here, same as it I like here. 8 tens, 8 ones and both. You find these boxes in given below. You write in these boxes on circle, same as it right here. Write the numbers in words 181, 583, 488 means 181, 583, 488. The delivery boy is on his way to your house, but before he reach, he must stop to deliver a few other items to some other place. Help him to find out the total bill of each delivery. You should find out the total bill of deliveries, hundred, tens and ones, difference between, and then write in these boxes same as it right here. The map below shows the distance between various places in your town. Use it to calculate the distance between different places. First of all, you calculate the difference in park to supermarket, passing through at home. You should also solve these questions same as it and write in these boxes same as it I write here. Write the missing greater than, less than or sign equal to sign for each other. So our biggest number is greater and the smallest number is smaller and the both similar number is equal to. Help the summer climb up the ladder by arranging them in the ascending order, smallest to largest. First of all, largest numbers to find here and write in these stairs, same as it I write here. This space same as it in similar pages, smallest to largest. You write in these stairs, same as it I write here. Color the stars. Color the odd number star blue and the even number star green. Solve the following question. Ali goes shopping and buys the following item and the amounts to find out the total cost. T-shirt, a pair of shoes. You write the cost in these boxes and add in these numbers and find out the answer. And the second question is the school kitchen made amount sandwich and the amount of fruit bowls. To write these amounts in ads and find out the answer. Solve the following questions. Ayan watched the news that two big hospitals in Lahore treated many COVID-19 patients on Monday. Maya Hospital treated 412 patients and Jinnah Hospital treated 279 patients and both patients in one boxes and find out the answers. Solve the following questions. At a Pakistan's match in Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium, 412 412 tickets were sold in the morning and 189 tickets were sold in the afternoon. How many tickets are sold in one? You add in these amounts in these boxes and find out the answers. And write the given number in words 412 and 189. Assalamu alaikum to all. I hope you are all perfectly fine. I am a teacher of Dar Arkam School, Ahmadpur campus. So today here we are discuss about vacation pack grade 2 subject general knowledge. Like to explore cities and villages, be an architect, design and build your own city or village house. Where will I design the house? City. First of all, you read questions carefully and then write the answer in these boxes, same as it I write here. I like to explore cities and villages. Take a picture of your model and draw it into given box. You prepare a model of your house and paste here. My house in city or village. City. Material it is made of bricks, cement, wood, glass, etc. Draw a picture of your house in this box. Now write the difference and similarity between the building you see in cities and village. First of all, you write here about city and then write here about village and middle to write here the both comparison things you have see to and others. Self check what did I learn? You should write here. Ready, set and revise. What is the difference between cities and villages? You answer the following question in these lines. Revise Unit 2. Find 4 difficult words from the unit and write their meaning. Words and meaning you write here. Revise Unit 1. Find 4 difficult words from the unit and write their meanings. Words and meanings you find here and write in these lines exactly. What are some things I like about myself? How do I help others and make the world a better place? Two things I like about myself. How do I help others at home or in school? My actions that make the world a better place. A picture of me doing something to help others. You draw a pictures right here in pencils or both model as like as you wish you paste here. Aisha live in a village house with a straw roof. During heavy rain, water leaks into her house. Her uncle, who live in the city, has a cement roof that stayed dry. Which roof is better for heavy rain and why? Cement roof it is better because it keeps the house dry in heavy rain. Ali visits this cousin in the city and see all buildings with many floors in his village's house are single story with open place. Ali is surprised why do city building have many floors why village house are usually single story solve Ali confusion. City buildings have many floors because many people live in there. Different people do different jobs to help each other and keep the cities and village running right. Two can help in the given situation. First of all, you read the questions carefully and then write the answer in these given lines. I help others with kindness. Read each sentence and decide if it show a good way to help someone. Color the smiling face. If it is a good way to help, color the sad face. If it is not, first of all, you read these lines carefully and then color the emojis same as its statement. Write on way you help others today inside the hand. I will help my friends. In cities there are more roads and traffic signs help people stay safe and follow the rules. Circle the road signs the best match the picture on the left. You match the pictures and round off given these pictures. Fill in the flyer about saving water, make 5 copies of it, distribute them to your neighbors and talk to them about the importance of saving water. Why is water important? You read about these lines in this given below. What will happen if we face wastewater? How will it affect? You read the reasons and write in these box like humans, animals, farming, environment. Do you think your bird feeder will help the birds in summer? How? I think the bird feeder will help birds. It will give them water. Where do you think taking care of birds important? It is important to take care of birds because they are our friends. What are other things you can use to make birds feeder from the following? Tick the ones you will choose. Fill in the given table our action result of our actions we should do. First of all, read our action and then results of our action and then tick the why should we do. Choose any four questions from the unit and answer the what is meant by Kachi habits. Write the name of three professions in Pakistan. Choose any two questions from the unit and answer what is the mean by stem. Define roots of plants. Words and meaning. Difficult words you find the unit like stem, flower, roots, leaves and write the meaning here. Solve this worksheet at the end of your vacation. What I know about responsibility, what I did during summer vacations, what I feel. So here you will write your name and write the your responsibilities and what did you during summer vacation to write here and what you feel so write here clearly. Read the dialogues below and answer the given. I am sorry I broke your pencil. I was first of all read the action and write here in these lines correctly. Choose any four questions from the unit and answer. First of all choose the question and write the answer here. Read the situation and complete the table to think. First of all read the situation and complete the choice 1, 2, 3 and these results right here. First of all, write a question and answer. Who are traffic and traffic warden controls, etc. I help the birds with love. Let make a bird feeder. First of all, you help a bird. First of all, read a statement and then help the bird. Did bird visit your bird feeder? Yes, and find the result. Thank you.